Floods continue to wreak havoc in the northeast, with several areas being severely ravaged by floods and landslides in the past 6 days, killing more than a dozen people, displacing thousands and paralyzing large cities like Guwahati and Agartala. And if we talk about Assam, then at least 9 human lives have been lost due to the floods and landslides, while one person is still reportedly missing. Additionally, over 18 lakh people affected in as many as 27 out of the total 35 districts in the state. Districts, and these include Bojali, Baksa, Borpeta, Bishwanath, Bongaigaon, Chirang, Darang, Dima Hasao and Gwalpara, amongst others. Meanwhile, 5% of the Kaziranga National Park remains submerged, with reports of 5 wild animal deaths also coming to the fore. The situation is unlikely to improve as the Met Department has predicted a moderate to heavy rainfall till the 19th of June. The army has also been roped in at several places, and rescue workers from the NDRF as well as STRF have been deployed in the worst affected areas. Also worth mentioning here, viewers, Meghalaya has faced the brunt of a flooding, with 4 people killed in Garo Hills. Sikkim, on its part, witnessed several fatal road accidents resulting in casualties. Meanwhile, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma will be touring some of the flood-affected areas today. As per inputs, Chief Minister Sharma will be visiting areas in Darang and Kamrup districts. He will first visit the relief camp at the Fatima Convent School in Rongia. Likewise, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviewed the flood situation on Friday and also sought help from the centre in the flood relief efforts. Listen in.
পানীয়ে আমাৰ এই বিস্তৃত অঞ্চলক প্লাবিত কৰিছে। আজি আমি ৰাতিপুৱাই আমাৰ সাৰ্কেল অফিচাৰ আমাৰ বিডিঅ'ক লৈ আমি হাকমা জিপি আৰু উদমাৰী জিপি ভ্ৰমণ কৰিলোঁ। তেতিয়া আমি তেওঁলোকক যিমান পাৰোঁ আমি যি ৰাজ সাহায্য কেনেকৈ দিব পাৰোঁ তাৰ ব্যৱস্থা ল'ম। আমি আজি হাকমা জিপি, কিছু লক্ষীগঞ্জৰ কিছু পাৰ্ট আৰু আপোনাৰ কিছু বিটিএডি অঞ্চল আৰু উদমাৰী জিপি, এইকেইটা অঞ্চল আমি পৰিদৰ্শন কৰিব পাৰিলোঁ।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a telephonic conversation with Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma this morning at around 6 a.m. to get an insight into the flood situation prevailing in Assam. And the same was informed by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma through a tweet just a short while ago. So there you have it, viewers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi directly taking stock of the flood situation in Assam from none other than the Chief Minister himself, Himanta Biswa Sharma.